Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys my update on this unit from DYHair777. I told y'all in my last video that I was going to wear it for a week without taking it off and come back and show y'all what it looked like and tell y'all what it was like. I wore it for 5 days, so I wore it for a business week, not an entire 7-day week. So I did wear it for 5 days straight, and to say that my scalp was not happy is an understatement. Like, my scalp was not having it at all. So yeah, I did take it off Tuesday night. I took it off Tuesday night, and my scalp was so irritated. Like, I don't understand how some of y'all can glue down these units on y'all head. Woo! Because my scalp just wasn't having it. But this is what the hair looks like after 5 days of me not doing anything to it. Just letting it be. It's tangled. As you can see, it is tangled. It's dry. And one thing that did happen is that my adjustable straps, the little hooks, one of them broke off and I don't know where it went. So yeah, that's another thing. One of my adjustable strap hooks broke off, so I had to tie the adjustable straps together in order to keep it tight. So that's one thing. And another thing is, I don't think these things are too breathable. Like in the top, this little cap that's up here in the top, I don't think it's all that breathable, which is why I think that my scalp was so irritated, because it wasn't able to breathe for those 5 days. And yeah, but I'm going to try and bring these curls back to life. And since I do still have product from the last time I defined these curls, I'm just going to use a spray bottle with some water and conditioner in it. And I'm just going to spray it all in there and finger detangle. Let me take these earrings off because I ain't trying to get caught up in them. So, but I did get a lot of comments on this hair. A lot. Like, I had a lot of people asking me, was it mine? And I had people asking me where I got it from and things like that. So I did get a lot of compliments. And I prefer to redefine the curls with the unit on my head because it's like 20 degrees outside. So I don't want to wet the entire unit and the cap and then put it on my head and go outside. So yeah, but like I said, I still have product in the hair. That's why I'm not adding any extra product, because it's really the water and this conditioner that's in this bottle is just going to reactivate the product that's already in there. So yeah. And y'all, my mom, she did the got to be glued method her very first time on her unit, and she did better than me. And this, like, I don't know, but I don't glue mine down, but still, even when I did try to glue it down, it didn't look half as good as hers, and it was her first time doing it. Go figure. So yeah, see how easy just spraying the water and conditioner on is letting me detangle, because y'all saw how tangled it was at first. So yeah, you don't need a bunch of product to redefine the curls or anything like that, or to moisturize them, because just water is working just fine, because like I said, it already had product in there. So, and I'm not going all the way up to the top of my head for the very same reason I'm not completely soaking the entire unit in water, because it's cold outside. So yeah, here are the moisturized, detangled, and yeah, popping curls. Now let me move on to this side. Now, for the price of this unit, I'm very pleased with how it acted. And, you know, because I didn't have a terrible experience with it at all. It's just, I mean, I know I have a really sensitive scalp, so it's easy for my scalp to get irritated. So that's no biggie. I kind of knew from jump that my scalp wasn't gonna act right. So, and the fact that, like, it doesn't fit perfectly on my head, which is also no surprise, because A lot of my units don't. I think I have maybe 2 that do. But I think more sizes or custom sizes would be perfect. At least a larger size, because everybody don't have small heads or average size heads. So yeah. But overall, I'm very happy and very pleased, and I will continue wearing this one. Just not up in a ponytail, because like I said, it doesn't fit my head perfectly, and I'm not trying to get out here looking crazy. Okay? Here's the hair, all nice and detangled, defined. And as you can see, I didn't use any tools except for my fingers. And it took all of what? How long have I been talking? 9 minutes. Took all of 9 minutes. And could probably be quicker than that if I wasn't standing here talking with my hands and stuff. Because y'all know I love to talk with my hands. So it would definitely be quicker if I wasn't doing all of that. So this is my final update and review on this unit from DYHair777. And again, I will link everything down below, and I will leave y'all the coupon code for $10 off so you can go browse and get your own, because I love this. I love it. And y'all know I usually don't like long wigs, but this one I wore long and I got a lot of compliments on it. My husband liked it, and he usually don't even like wigs, so that says a lot. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.